Happy long weekend, everybody. It's the Victoria Day weekend here in Canada. Victoria Day was, I think it's May 24th, and how they calculate it is the first Monday before May 24th, something like that. It's a weird thing, but May 24th was Queen Victoria's birthday, and in Canada it has just become the official birthday of the Queen, and it is the first long weekend where being outside is really an option. And normally, for many, many years, this would be my camping weekend with a bunch of my friends. But we can't do that this year. Parks aren't open. Don't want people traveling together. So we're staying home, and I'm going to pretend I'm camping by cooking breakfast on my barbecue. So I'm just going to make sausage and eggs. They're looking good. They're looking very good. Check that out. How's that for some grilling skills? What do you think, buddy? Elsie? It's the first time we've ate outside this year. Well, everything is coming along. Got a lot of our flowers planted. Here's our rosemary bush that we had upstairs all year. And then here's this nice big pot of herbs. I just love the way they smell. If you're ever looking for some portable Bluetooth speakers, these are Yui Booms, and they work together to make stereo. They're fantastic. Batteries last for hours and hours and hours. They're waterproof. I love them. Every day there's a little bit more green. Few more leaves. Slowly. It just seems so slow. Just want it to be summer. We're going off leash because I got a pocket full of hot dogs. Well, I'm definitely getting some color by my skin here. Just a relaxing and lazy day. Walk the dogs. Yeah, just taking it easy. And it's time to start dinner, so I'm gonna grill some chicken. We've got 6 of these drumstick quarters, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just sprinkle them with some salt. I'm gonna go with chicken. We're gonna have a whole bunch of steamed broccoli. That's how I steam it. To each their own, but I find that plate method works really good. I don't have to use plastic wrap. Happy Victoria Day. Cheers, my friends. Oh, yeah. The chicken have had the salt on them for quite a while, so now I'm using this. This is a place in Montreal, very famous, really good restaurant, Joe Beef, and this is their barbecue rub, and that's what I'm putting on. Now to set this apart a little bit more, I'm going to add a whole bunch of rosemary, because I love chicken with rosemary. Okay, my grill is smoking hot. So this is what I'm going to do. Aye, very hot. I'm going to just lay them out on one side. Now I'm turning the burner off completely on that side, and I'm just going to close it up. And I'm going to keep an eye on the temperature. I'm going to try to get it down to around 325, 350. So just keep an eye on that. Oh boy. You guarding me from those birds, buddy? Yeah, doing a great job. How'd they turn out? They look pretty good. Yum. Ooh, here it is. Looks pretty darn good. Who's a good girl? Yes, both good dogs. We're out for a little bit of training the dogs. Buddy doesn't need to be trained, but Sassy is just learning recall so that we can go to off-leash parks and places and she won't wander away. She's doing really good. They're both off their leash right now. Great. We just had fun going through the soccer field. Into the tunnel that goes underneath 14th, taking us right into Notes Hill Park. It's just a very relaxing spot. I love it that we can just walk here from our house. There are literally miles and miles and miles of trails. If we just went up that hill, we'd actually get to see the mountains. See the ice and snow on the top of the Rocky Mountains from here. But we're going home. Buddy, don't pull. It's really steep. I wonder I was out of breath coming up here. We're gonna cut right through the valley. That's it. A long weekend in Canada, Victoria Day weekend, and it's all over. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time from the Holy Moly.